Hello everyone, welcome to the instruction of your history assessment. In the past few weeks, we have been exploring our past and present connections to people, and as we're drawing a close to our history unit, I need to assess your learning. So this is an instruction of your upcoming assessment, and we will go through the assessment requirement together. This task will be engaging to develop your knowledge in the history area. I have seen your engagement over the past 2 weeks, but as a teacher, it is important for me to assess your learning. Assessment can provide critical information about your development and also help me to identify who may need additional. In the last week, we compared several objects from the past. Do you remember the photograph of the school board that I showed you in the last class? Comparing with the washing machine, I believe that you can tell the differences between them. And we also had a brief discussion about how these changes helped people's lives. This assessment will be aiming to examine your understanding about how changing technology affected people's lives. Your task is to show me how a technology from the past has changed to a similar one in the present days. This assessment will also test your communicating skills, so you are required to prepare a presentation to show me the changes of the object and how the changes has helped or impacted on people's lives. With this assessment, you will be working in pairs to develop a creative presentation in any format. It could be a poster, a movie, or a PowerPoint presentation. That is your choice. You will be allocated an object out of the ones that we have talked about in the last class, and remember, you must include a photo of the object in your presentation so your presentation could be clear to us. At the end, in your allocated groups, you will develop this presentation and then present it to the class. Your task is due on next Friday, but you don't have to be stressed as it still gives you 3 lessons over the week to complete it. It is up to you if you want to work on this assessment outside of school, that's fine too. Once you finish up, you are able to present it to your peers in the classroom, so just be as creative as you want. For everyone, I will let you know your groups and your objects shortly, and now you can have a think about what you might like to do for your presentation. Good luck everyone, I look forward to seeing your presentations.